I started about 18 years ago. How I got into real estate, I kind of hated my life and I hated my job and I was broke. So pain's a really great motivator if you allow it to motivate you. And because I had no money, I was forced to get creative. And so I love when people say, I don't have any money, so I can't invest. I'm like, that's why I got started, because I saw some books at Barnes & Noble that said I could invest without money. So I learned how to put deals together. I bought 10 deals, 10 rentals my first year, creative stuff, using hard money loans, using credit cards, whatever. And then my second year, put together partnerships, bought 10 more rentals, and that was great, but I was sharing equity. So my third year, I learned about private money, and since then we've been raising private money and doing deals. Done over 500 transactions. Majority are single family homes, rentals, flips, but we do a lot of owner finance notes, and I moved into buying mobile home parks. I love mobile home parks. I love affordable housing, RV parks. We've done several land syndication deals. And I would say what I'm most proud of is from starting with zero, we've paid out over like 10,000 mortgages plus to our private lenders over the years, never missed a single payment or a dime with any of my commitments to my lenders. So if you do things right, and build your business sustainably, capital is the easiest part of this. So I'm excited about the conversation today because it's really doable for some of you who are just getting started out if you have the right fundamentals and do your business the right way.